everyone, welcome to Allen-Inet. Today we are going to install the new version for Java Intellij IDE. Java Intellij IDE is the best for writing Java applications. It is the best recommended for those who are developing application in Java. So to get it, you are going to go to your browser, type Intellij IDE. And open the first link. Just click on the button. On this page, they give you two editions: the Ultimate Edition and the Community Edition. The Ultimate Edition is for commercial, that you can purchase it. If you want to get the free edition, then you can go to the Community Edition. You can use it for individual and other commercial purpose. So from this edition, you can just pass through the features and see which one also fit your needs. As you can see, the Ultimate Edition has more features compared to the Community Edition. For if you just say as the exe file, just click on this button to start your download. The exe file has got 592 MB. After you have completed downloading, then close your browser, go to the download folder. From your download folder, just open the exe file and run it as administrator. Then click on the next button. The destination folder, which is on C drive, program C, and it created the folder for JetBrains and install the application. But you can just click on this browse and change the location if you want. So I'll leave the default location and click next. From the first option, you can just create a desktop shortcut and then click here to create update path variable. You can just leave it. Update context menu .java .kt and .kts. Click on the next button and it creates the JetBrains folder. Then I'll leave it as default and start installation. After it has complete installation, then you can just see the exe file is here. It is open the folder as Intellij IDE Community Edition project. So you can just open the project folder directly from its location. So I can just select run after finish installation and then click finish. Just leave as default, do not import settings, and click OK. Here is the application after it has launched. Then you can the default window when you open the application, and here on the left side you can find projects for menu, customize if you want to customize the application, color theme. This is the theme that the default application theme. You can even change the theme compared to your operating system by clicking on this box here. So it will just select change the color if you are using white. If you have selected other than this, then it will pick the default OS theme. You can just change from this menu, or you can just uncheck it and then you change it from the drop down arrow by choosing Windows 10 Lite, or you can just leave Dracula. It's the best theme that you can use it, and even it does not affect your eyes. So I'll leave Dracula. And the same will apply to the IDE font. You can just increase the font size to put it 14, or you can just leave default as 12, or you can go smaller than the current selected, but I'll leave it to 12. Key map, you can configure it, or you can just drop down there and choose the one that are available. If you have Visual Studio, then you can just select it here, or just leave it to Windows. The plugin you can type here, or wait for those which are available online and then install it. For example, this one here, you can even pass through the plugin details and then you click install, or you can just see the one which are already installed by default and update it. And these are the others which are by default, which are installed by default. Then you can just come here and learn more about the Intellij IDE, what are the new features, how can use it, get started with the IDE, YouTube channel, and other help and other suggestion. On the bottom, it displays the option menu. You can edit some properties. You can just go for edit options and other options that you can make changes for, and even check for updates. And here you can just click on this about. It will give you the current IDE version and the edition that you are using, the community edition. So when you want to open the new project, you can just come to projects and click here new project. Then you click on this plus button and wait for it to load. After it has opened the new project, then you can just name your project. From here, just I'll name it as hello. Then on location on E drive, then I'll select a new folder where all my project will be stored on that folder. Come here and set new directory. Then I'll name it Java Pro projects, and then click OK. So all my project folder will be installed in this folder, and then click OK. Whenever I create a new project, then it will be stored on this folder or directory. Here I'll leave it as default. On the JDK, if you need to change to use another JDK Java development kit, then you can just select here and then add the JDK, or leave it as default. Then create, and here you can create your class and start developing your program. So this is the end of our tutorial of downloading and installing Java IDE, the new version for 2022. Thank you.